What we've got here is a 2008 Chevy Suburban going up on the 7-inch rough country kit on some 20x9 Moto metal wheels and 35x12 amp tires. Let's check it out. So here's a reveal for the Suburban build. As you can see, we went with a 20x10 Moto metal wheel with a 35x12.5 tire. That's all a zero offset, which you can see it's a very aggressive look to it. Those are on the AMP ATGs, which, as you recall, they're a little bit wider than the AMP ATPs that we put on the last Colorado build. As you can see, we had to do quite a bit of trimming up here and take off that valance. Chevy likes to make square wheel wells, so it's kind of hard to fit that 35 in there. And we'll come over to the back right here. Same setup on wheels. No trimming necessary because there's not much articulation back there other than the flex of the shocks. This 7.5-inch kit came with the heavy-duty load springs and a shock extender. It didn't come with the longer shocks. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the SoCo Customs YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. And y'all have a great day.